Hello, this is Tom Mills from ISchamp.com, here to talk to you about our tool Unwind. Unwind basically does what SumTotal doesn't do, is unwind the strings of a curriculum and the strings of a nested instructor-led training. So these tools work primarily the same way, and here's how it works. You first have to have the information set up by us so you can use the tool, and for that we need your web services URL and then your SumTotal administrator ID that you want to use. We don't do any authentication. You do all the authentication on SumTotal. When you log in through the product, it uses web services to connect and secure the connect to SumTotal. With that, let's get going. So we go in and we hit the launch button. Pretty easy, right? All right, I need to find a learner. Well, I have some out there. And I don't know why my guys named them all ISchamp, but they're all ISchamp. Maybe because I can't spell. So I've got 10 pages of it. And I've been through this several times before, and I know that these are all cleaned up. So I think this one here is one that I can use. And I can select on that. And yes, there it is. I see a nested curriculum. Ta-da! So this means it has a curriculum within a curriculum. So I select it. And here are the components of that curriculum. And their PKID within SumTotal itself. And whether you're registered or not. Or if you've completed it. And if you've completed it, you will still retain credit for it. All right. And so, it could be multiples. So this is a nested curriculum, nested curriculum 1, nested curriculum 2. We have really great naming conventions here. All right. So from there, we go back and we say, okay, process away. Ta-da! Your Unwind has completed. Below is a copy of the information that was processed. Da-da-da-da. And then we hit exit. That was it. That was all it took to unwind a curriculum. All right. I haven't set up Unwind instructor-led training, so I don't know which ID is going to have actual data in it. So let's go try this. All right. ISchamp. As you can see, I've got dozens of those. I search and find my user. And this is using the SumTotal search functionality. Oh, let's try the first one. Okay, nothing on that one. Let's try 10. Let's try 17. Nope. Let's go to page. Let's get a few more pages on it. Select. And my guys put 2. Ah, there we go. Ha! Here's an ISchamp ILT with 3 offerings. Let's get rid of that one, and it'll leave this one. Oh, actually, let's do this one with the child subscribes. We select it, and let's go back. Let's select this one. There we go. That has some courses in it. All right. You can see they're right in there, and they have been registered. We hit processed. It tells me it was processed, and we exit. And we have now just unwound a curriculum as well as instructor-led training with nested curriculums under it. There you go. That's how we did it. In less than 5 minutes, the Unwind product explained. Thank you, everybody. We'll talk to you later.